Hello everyone, I'm Jessie from Shengri Company. Now letting me introduce a very multifunctional barbecue set. Please see, you can see there are many accessories and hooks here. Firstly, there's a wind shield here. You can put charcoal or wood inside. There's a grill pot. You can put meat or something food on here, so you can use it to bake it. There are many hooks, and you can put some meat or food here to hang on the iron tube to cook it. There's a stainless steel iron tube, and you can put a turkey here to making the delicious food. We believe you will like it. Thank you.